Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is for part 2. Like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate y'all coming. So this is for today. You saw yesterday we painted the block. I went ahead and repainted it, threw another coat on it. So I'm sure I got everything. Today I have to do this water pump, so I have to remove the hoses, the pulley and fan, etc. I gotta clean up these headers, paint these black. I'm gonna paint that one silver. Clean up the oil pan, which that's not gonna be fun, so I'm gonna use this, something like that. We got the intake manifold. I'm gonna do the same with. Got some acid and I'm gonna try to really clean it up. Valve covers, I'm gonna do black. This is what we're working with. Flame proof for the headers, which is 1300 to 2000 degrees. We got regular black enamel to 550 and the primer and a lot of brake cleaner. So wish us luck and wish me luck, and I'm gonna start hanging them on the hoist with a wire hanger. That way it's mid-air and I don't have to get anything else dirty. I'm gonna try to use the oil pan, or if you want to call it an oil pan, to clean the parts without getting the mess. We just got done cleaning. We got the valve covers. I'm gonna paint black. Oil pan, then I'm gonna paint black as well. Intake manifold, then I'm gonna redo silver. I try to clean them as best as I could for all the gunk that was actually on them. The long tubes are still brown. Those are gonna be black. I decided to leave the fan and the water pump attached. I'm just gonna tape the pulley and paint the fan and water pump the same color. I might need a new water pump. It looks pretty bad, but we're gonna see what we can do. Alright guys, I'm back. I mainly got everything taped up. The intake manifold, the valve covers, and they just wouldn't stick, man, because I guess the oil. So I'm just gonna paint the other side and hope not to get this. But the header, I taped up the pulley and the water pump, oil pan. Here's another valve cover and the other header. So I'm gonna try to hang them up right here on top of this hook mid-air. I'll primer them and then paint them. Hopefully they come out good, and we can take all the tape off of everything, and including the motor, see how it looks. Alright guys, it doesn't look like much, but I painted them black, oil pan, 2 valve covers, the breather, 2 long tube headers. I know they're not shiny black. The high temp paint only comes in matte because of the high temp, of course. So that's that. Intake manifold, it actually came out really nice. I know y'all saw it before I had painted it, but it looks damn near brand new. Imagine that baby on top of the motor. This is the behind the oil pump. I still have to unravel and tape it, unravel the tape, but I think today's really good progress. I put some carb cleaner on the 750 there. Oh yeah. Kaylee and I untaped the block and it came out real good. I went ahead and lubed up the walls. There's a big block for you right there. The tape work was actually really good. It came out badass. So, right here in the near future, you're gonna see the assembly of the motor, and we're gonna hear that baby scream. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank y'all for coming, and have a good one.